Hello everybody on YouTube. This is CJ Captain here. We have a train coming. Check it out. And this is like what I said. I would start a new video once this train gets a lot closer. Well, indeed, I was correct. And so, instead, I'll be over here and I'll leave Elliot alone, I guess. And the main lights are not doing that. It's only just the video. I think over here might be the easiest place to be. Another short one again.
Yeah, it's been real short on
I guess that's it. So let's roll it.